Hello there, and welcome to the Boho Rebellion. I present to you a 1/12 scale BARC speeder bike from the Clone Wars and Revenge of the Sith. Check out all the detail on this. I am very excited to present this to you. I am selling this on the BohoRebellion.com. And here we go, in all its glory. Trooper not included. Oh, my trooper is going to fall off, but I still want to show you my speeder here. Here we go, electronics. Stand not included. Haha. There's the engine. And the guns. Blasters. Guys, check that out. They are painted. But they're not on there because when I ship them, I'm afraid they'll break. So that's why they're right there. But they go in near the center console. The small ones are for the feet, large ones are for the hands. Let's keep going and taking a look at the rest of the speeder bike. And right here is the console, and it lights up in the dark in a green hue. And that's pretty incredible. Like a hollow screen. There you go, guys. It is blue, like 501st color, but you can actually get it in any color you like for whatever squad you want. But here we go, again in all its glory. The Clone Wars speeder bike. I am so excited to show you this again. And here it is. It's 16 inches long, about 5 inches wide, and 4 inches high. And again, I can give it to you in any color. It usually comes in white with highlighted blue or any other color. All right, guys, there it is. The Clone Wars speeder bike, or also known as the BARC speeder. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you next time on the Boho Rebellion.